In the vibrant world of Kansas City real estate, the competition is fierce and the stakes are high. But there's a secret weapon that's changing the game for investors, big and small. It's called the Alpine Advantage. This isn't just another buzzword. It's a real, tangible benefit that comes from partnering with Alpine Property Management Kansas City. Today, we're diving deep into how expert property management can lead to unmatched investment growth in this dynamic market. So, let's get right to it. First and foremost, what does it mean to have the Alpine Advantage? It's about leveraging expertise, local market knowledge, and a comprehensive suite of services to not just manage but actively enhance your real estate investments. In a city as diverse and complex as Kansas City, understanding the nuances of each neighborhood, from the booming downtown district to the quiet suburban enclaves, is crucial. Alpine Property Management Kansas City isn't just operating in this market. We're deeply embedded within it, giving us insights and advantages that we pass directly to our clients. But let's break it down further. The cornerstone of the Alpine Advantage is our unmatched expertise in property management. This includes everything from tenant screening and leasing to maintenance and renovations. Every step of the way, we're focused on maximizing your property's potential and ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your tenants. Why does this matter? Because in the world of real estate investing, your property is more than just a piece of land. It's a living, breathing entity that requires care, attention, and strategic planning to flourish. Now you might be wondering, how does this translate to investment growth? Here's the key. By optimizing operations, maintaining high occupancy rates, and ensuring tenant satisfaction, we're able to drive up the value of your investment. This isn't just about collecting rent on time. It's about creating a desirable property that stands out in the competitive Kansas City market. The better the tenant experience, the higher the demand for your property, and ultimately, the greater the return on your investment. And let's not forget about our We Buy Houses initiative. This unique aspect of our service portfolio allows us to directly purchase properties from investors looking to sell quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to cash out for personal reasons, reinvest in a different market, or simply streamline your portfolio, we're here to make you a fair, market-based offer. It's all part of our commitment to providing a full spectrum of real estate services tailored to the needs of Kansas City investors. But the Alpine Advantage goes beyond just the services we offer. It's also about the community we're building. By partnering with us, you're not just a client. You're part of a network of Kansas City investors who benefit from shared knowledge, opportunities, and the collective strength of a leading property management company. We believe in fostering a sense of community among our clients, offering networking events, educational seminars, and a platform for investors to connect and collaborate. So what does all this mean for you as an investor? It means that whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing portfolio, the Alpine Advantage is your key to unlocking unparalleled growth in the Kansas City real estate market. It's about more than just managing properties. It's about strategically enhancing them to achieve your investment goals. Building off the foundational insights shared earlier, let's delve deeper into how the Alpine Advantage catalyzes not just growth, but sustainable success in the Kansas City real estate market. The journey doesn't stop at acquiring properties and ensuring they're well managed. It's about strategic, long-term planning and execution that aligns with your investment goals and market dynamics. Central to the Alpine Advantage is our proactive approach to property management. We don't wait for issues to arise, we anticipate them. This foresight comes from years of experience and a deep understanding of the Kansas City market's intricacies. By identifying potential challenges and opportunities ahead of time, we position our clients' portfolios for resilience and growth, even in fluctuating market conditions. Moreover, our commitment to leveraging technology sets us apart. In an era where efficiency and accessibility are key, Alpine Property Management Kansas City employs the latest in property management software and tech solutions. This not only streamlines operations but also provides our clients with real-time insights into their investments, enhancing decision-making and transparency. But technology is just one piece of the puzzle. At the heart of the Alpine Advantage is our dedication to exceptional service. Whether it's maintenance staff going the extra mile to ensure a property is in top condition, or our customer service team offering personalized support to tenants and investors, we believe in the power of positive relationships. These relationships are the bedrock of successful property management, leading to higher tenant satisfaction, lower turnover rates, and ultimately, stronger investment performance. Let's also talk about the strategic growth of your portfolio. With Alpine Property Management Kansas City, expansion doesn't mean adding properties haphazardly. It means carefully selecting investments that complement your portfolio, meet your financial goals, and mitigate risk. Our extensive network and market expertise allow us to identify unique opportunities, from undervalued properties with potential for high returns to emerging neighborhoods poised for growth. And remember, the Alpine Advantage isn't just for seasoned investors. If you're new to the Kansas City real estate market, there's no better ally. Our team is here to guide you through every step of the investment process, from selecting your first property to scaling your portfolio. With Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you gain access to a wealth of resources, including market analysis, investment strategy planning, and a community of like-minded investors. As we wrap up, think of the Alpine Advantage not just as a service, but as a partnership. A partnership that's dedicated to not only meeting, but exceeding your investment goals. We understand that in the competitive world of real estate, having a trusted, expert partner can make all the difference. That's why we're committed to continuous improvement, staying ahead of industry trends, and providing our clients with unparalleled expertise and service. The road to unmatched investment growth in Kansas City is paved with challenges, but with the Alpine Advantage, you have a seasoned guide every step of the way. Our holistic approach to property management, combined with our commitment to your success, makes Alpine Property Management Kansas City the ideal partner for any investor looking to thrive in this market. Thank you for taking the time to explore how expert property management can lead to unmatched investment growth in Kansas City. If you're ready to take your investment portfolio to new heights, we're here to help. Reach out to Alpine Property Management Kansas City today, and let's start building your future together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into real estate investing and property management. Your support helps us reach and empower more investors with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed. Here's to your success in the Kansas City real estate market. Cheers to growth, prosperity, and the Alpine Advantage.